Basically, it is also known as Salvadora persica or a toothbrush tree. This is very natural teeth cleaning solution. Miswak has strong antibacterial properties. Viewers, regular use of miswak improves blood circulation in gums, reduces swelling, and prevents gum bleeding. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "If it were not a hardship for my followers, I would have ordered them to use miswak before every prayer." Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Adil Mansoor. Today we are going to talk about miswak health benefits. If you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Viewers, हमने अपनी वीडियो के कमेंट बॉक्स में अपने व्हाट्सएप चैनल का लिंक दिया है, आप इसको जरूर ज्वाइन कीजिए ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट हेल्थ अपडेट बर वक्त मिल सकें. Viewers, long before modern toothbrushes were invented, people across the world, especially in the Muslim world, used something much simpler and healthier. That is miswak. Basically, it is also known as Salvadora persica or a toothbrush tree. It is natural twig used for cleaning teeth. It has been used for over 7,000 years and even recommended by the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. This is very natural teeth cleaning solution. The fiber of miswak act like a toothbrush bristle. They remove food particles and a plaque naturally without needing a toothpaste. Number 2, it helps to fight the germs and bacteria. Miswak has strong antibacterial properties. Studies have shown it helps kill the bacteria that causes tooth decay and gum diseases. It freshens your breath. It contains a natural aromatic compounds that keep your breath fresh and your mouth feeling clean all the day. Number 4, it strengthens the gum and prevents bleeding. Viewers, regular use of miswak improves blood circulation in gums, reduces swelling, and prevents gum bleeding. It also helps whitens your teeth naturally. Without any chemicals or bleach, miswak gently polishes your teeth, making them brighter, shiner with time. So no toothpaste needed. It is 100% natural, no fluoride, no artificial flavor, no plastic. Perfect for eco-friendly and healthy conscious people. If we talk about its spiritual and Sunnah benefits, for Muslims, miswak is not just for hygiene. It is Sunnah. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "If it were not a hardship for my followers, I would have ordered them to use miswak before every prayer." It is very simple, portable and eco-friendly. You can carry it anywhere. No battery, no waste, no pollution. It is the most sustainable dental care tool in the world. So next time you think about brushing your teeth, try miswak. It's natural, effective, eco-friendly and full of blessings. Viewers, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. So take care of yourself until next video. Allah Hafiz.